Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Live channel. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to reprogram your windows. So when these cars get to a certain age, this one's 11 years old, sometimes the windows can start to play up. So a symptom of this could be that the window goes down, or you try and put the window down and then it gets to a certain height and stops, or the automaticness stops working, so the one touch stops, or sometimes what we've had the other day was that the window started to come up and then went back down again, so it wasn't very happy about working. So especially in this heat, you want windows to be working nice and easily, so we're just going to show you how to reprogram them. It's really easy. So essentially all you have to do while the window is completely up, we'll do it on this driver's window here, you just need to press and hold the window up button until you hear it click. There we go, and that one clicks, and that means it's reprogrammed. This one as well, if we do this one, there we go, and then as you see it's working. So yeah, that's all you need to do is literally just pull the window button up, and that will reprogram. Essentially resets the computer and tells the computer where the top of the window frame is. It fixes a lot of Windows problems on these cars, so let me know if it helped you. Yeah, just a quick video. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the Drive Live store in the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Cheers.